My name is Mmakeng Leepile, and I'm 16 years old. I want to be a singer. I feel I have a lot to offer. I have something different. My voice is different compared to a lot of artists that are there in the world. And that's why I feel that should be my dream. And that's why I feel I should be able to get that opportunity to go out there and compete with other people. Smiles and smiles, can you bring it all? I will take you to the river, I will bring you back. Oh, smiles and smiles, oh, slowly taking you over. Can you bring me all? I will bring you to the river, walking side by side. Oh, smiles and smiles.